Here's a quick video for you on how to clean your seats. Today we're gonna use this carpet stain remover. You can use it on any sort of fabric or carpet. Here's a stain on my seat. We're gonna push it so that it absorbs the cleaner. And then what we're going to do is, you can see, we're going to rub it with the brush. Give it a thorough scrub. I'm going to use this brush, drill brush. You can use it on a drill. Okay, so now take a cloth, dab it down like this. Now let it dry for some time, and then I'm going to show you what's the difference. You can already see that our stain is gone, and it's feeling good. It's looking like a brand new seat.